Welcome to Competence FBOSB301. Prepare simple bakery products. In this session, we'll explore learning outcome 1, identify tools, equipment, and ingredients for bakery products. Let's dive into the key topics we'll cover. Let's outline the topics. 1. Selection of bakery tools. 2. Selection of bakery equipment. 3. Selection of bakery ingredients. 4. Portioning of bakery ingredients. Now, let's explore each topic in detail. Selection of bakery tools. Bakery tools are essential for precise baking processes, with oven racks providing a stable platform for even heat distribution, preventing uneven cooking. Measuring tools such as cups, jugs, and spoons ensure accurate ingredient portions critical for flavor balance. Mixing tools like wire whisks and bowls expedite blending for consistent textures in batters and doughs. Baking tools including spatulas, gastronomic pans, baking pans, and pastry brushes offer precision in tasks like smoothing batter and applying glazes. Cutting tools such as pastry cutters, bread knives enables accurate dough shaping, ensuring uniformity. Preparatory tools like sifters and rolling pins aid in the initial stages, ensuring ingredients are properly prepared for incorporation. Together, these tools streamline baking processes, ensuring efficiency and quality in every bake. Selection of bakery equipment. Selecting bakery equipment is critical for efficient operations and quality products. Baking ovens should match production needs such as convection ovens for even baking. Refrigerators maintain ingredient freshness at optimal temperatures. Dough sheeters ensure uniform dough thickness, saving time. Proofers create ideal fermentation conditions for texture and flavor. Bread slicers ensure consistent slices for presentation. Food processors like blenders streamline ingredient preparation, reducing labor. Bakery mixers accommodate various dough types and volumes. Storage equipment such as food containers and bread pans keep ingredients organized for workflow efficiency. Packaging materials like bread basket and plastic bags preserve freshness and enhance product presentation. Selection of bakery ingredients. Choosing the right ingredients is pivotal for achieving bakery products' desired taste and texture. Flour, a cornerstone ingredient, provides structure and substance. Sweeteners, like sugar or honey, add sweetness and influence moisture retention and browning. Liquids like water or milk contribute to dough consistency and crumb texture. Flavorings, including vanilla extract and spices, enhance the taste profile. Shortening, whether butter or oil, adds richness and tenderness. Raising agents like yeast or baking powder ensure proper rise and lightness. Glazing agents such as egg wash offer shine and color. Toppings and fillings, ranging from fruits to chocolate chips, provide additional flavor and texture. Each ingredient serves a specific purpose, contributing to bakery products' overall quality, flavor, and appearance. Careful selection and balance of ingredients are essential for achieving consistent and satisfying results in baked goods, ensuring their success in the market and delighting customers with every bite. Portioning of bakery ingredients. Portioning is a cornerstone in bakery preparation, maintaining consistency and accuracy across product sizes. It entails meticulous measurement and distribution of ingredients, ensuring each baked good adheres to the desired specifications. Portioning tools like scales and dough dividers are indispensable, facilitating precise weighing and division of ingredients. By utilizing these tools, bakery professionals can ensure uniformity in the size and weight of each product, enhancing the overall quality and presentation. In summary, we've covered the selection of bakery tools, equipment, and ingredients, and the portioning of bakery ingredients. Now, let's assess your understanding. Name 3 types of bakery tools mentioned in the module. What are the primary functions of bakery equipment? List 3 common bakery ingredients used in product preparation. Reflect on these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Happy baking!